bisa ketemu dengan Maya kembali di sini. Ya.
Sorry. Namanya di Melbourne.
Iya, hai.
Patty.
Maya yang selama ini juga membantu kita.
Soto
Iya, Ferry,
Victor, and Tasya.
Tasya, ya. Tasya.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And Cipto from Makassar.
Oh, from Makassar, ya. Nah, Jadi ada sekitar 160 orang yang hadir di sini tadi menyaksikan. Ya, terima kasih atas dukungan teman-teman di Toraja dimanapun yang sudah membantu kita dalam peliputan kru-kru. Halo.
I know.
Hai. Thank you. Halo. Mas Chris. Oh, thank
These guys
you.
are also from Toraja.
Mantap, woi, terima kasih.
Dari Rantebau.
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 Terus semangat.
Kurang semangat muda.
Teman dari Toraja.
Berapa yang nonton Tom?
Ya, tadi ada mungkin
Keren live.
Mantap, Om. Ya. Oke, terima kasih ya. Oke. Thank you.
Yeah, how is it?
Hai, Rara.
Selesai. Keren banget.
Hai.
Ini Ais temanku.
Oh iya.
Ya, dia seniman di sini.
Iya.
Ya emang kan. Udah pameran di atas.
Nah, jadi filmnya usai. Terima kasih teman-teman yang sudah mendukung Kompit. Semua keluarga dimanapun. Hai.
Hi, Victor. Well done.
Oh,
How
thank
are
you.
going?
Yeah. Yeah, never stop.
You were at our house last night documenting everything.
Oke ya, silakan ya. Maybe picture
Oh, yeah.
like me
Yeah,
together. Yeah, yeah.
Maybe
We can do it outside.
Kita foto-foto dulu. Iya, foto-foto dulu.
Jadi bikin apa kayak nanti nih
Hah?
segalanya.
Hah?
Jalan-jalan.
Jalan-jalan. Ajak di rumahmu kah?
My parents. My
Oh,
mom and dad.
parents. Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you.
We've heard all about you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
very fine, yeah.
Yeah, and thanks for looking after Patty all those years.
Yeah. Putting up with it. Yeah. Paddy is very many fans in Toraja.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that was fantastic.
Yeah.
Thanks a
Okay,
lot.
thank you.
Enjoy Melbourne.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Orang tuanya Paddy, your father and mother.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
They raised me before you did.
Yeah. Yeah, photo. Together with friends, maybe. Okay. Here. Hai Maya, kita foto dulu.
Cinema.
Ya, cinema.
Have you got,
Yeah.
you got your phone? Oh, mine's very good.
Eh?
You have the other phone?